Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
Today we're doing a walk around on a 2013 Mack dump truck. We're going to stop and show you those steer tires there. Still have good tread left. And as we come down the driver's side, we're just going to continue and show you a couple of the features on this truck. It is powered by a Mack MP7 345 horse motor. It's got 18,000 pound front axles, 44,000 pound rears, and 13,000 pound pushers. We'll give you a shot of those leaf springs there. And then as we get around to the back of this quad axle, give you a little better shot of that 19-foot steel Tebco body. It is a 264-inch wheelbase, and it also has an Allison heavy-duty automatic transmission. Now, MHC Charlotte does have multiple units available. And as we get around to the passenger side now, we'll zoom in here. We'll give you a shot of those aluminum inners. There you go. Still good tread left in the back as well. And then once we get done on the exterior of this truck, we'll jump inside, we'll put this thing in motion and show you all the features and functionality. Very nice, well-maintained Mack dump truck. We'll go ahead and jump up inside the truck now, give you a shot of the interior. Just kind of do a nice pan over the dash and the gauges there. They do have multiple trucks available, so the mileage will vary. There's your Allison automatic transmission, all your gauges, and then of course all your controls for your dump bed. Passenger seat looks good. Looking around, a little bit of overhead storage here. We'll go ahead and crawl back down out of here and we'll go ahead and put this thing in motion for you. A quick pan up will show you the pistons free of any leaks. Now that we have that 19-foot Tebco body out of the way, we can take a better look at the frame. Call MHC Charlotte today